Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share with you 2 amazing recipes using aloe vera, lemon, ginger, and honey with just a few simple kitchen ingredients. We'll make a nourishing blend for softer hands and a crisp, refreshing drink that is perfect for hot days. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's head to the kitchen together. First, I take a large ginger root and use a knife to cut off just a small branch, nothing too big. Then I add a little salt to scrub away all the dirt trapped deep within the crevices and rinse it completely clean. I use a knife to trim away any damaged or withered parts on the ginger branch, then wash it thoroughly under running water. Next, I use a spoon to scrape off the outer skin, which is both fast and clean. Ginger is not only a wonderful spice to complement dishes or hot tea, but it is also highly loved for skincare. It contains natural antioxidants that protect the skin from environmental stressors, helping to smooth out fine lines on your hands. The gentle, warming effect of ginger warms up the skin, giving it a natural, healthy glow while cleansing and opening up pores for better nutrient absorption. Have you ever tried ginger for your skin? If you haven't, perhaps now is the perfect time to test it out. Then I slice the ginger thinly and chop it into fine pieces. Chopping it like this breaks down the cellular structures, maximizing the release of essential oils and anti-aging gingerol. Note, while ginger's warming property is highly beneficial, please ensure you use the correct moderate amount as instructed. Avoid using too much, as it may cause a burning sensation for those with thin or sensitive skin. After preparing the ginger, I transfer it into a clean glass jar. Next up is aloe vera. I select a fresh, thick, and undamaged leaf. First, I trim off the base and submerge the aloe vera leaf in clean water for about 5 minutes. This step is crucial to drain out the yellow sap, preventing skin irritation or itching. Afterward, I wash the outer skin under running water to remove any dirt. Cleaning the skin thoroughly is essential, as it prevents surface bacteria or dirt from contaminating the pure inner gel when we cut it. Just a small tip, always let the aloe vera dry completely before adding it to the oil. This helps the mixture last longer and prevents spoiling. As you can see, I'm using a paper towel to wipe off every single drop of water. I cut the aloe vera in half and remove the thorns on both sides. I'll save 1/2 for the next recipe. Then I slice the remaining half into small pieces, keeping the skin on. Speaking of this plant, Dr. Eric Berg, a health and nutrition expert, shared that
aloe vera is a botanical rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, offering numerous benefits for the body, especially in providing gentle skincare and health support. For the skin, aloe vera soothes sun exposure, promotes a radiant complexion, and cleanses deeply. Internally, it helps soothe the gut and supports the body's natural detox process.
Next up is fresh lemon. I use 1 fresh lemon. To completely remove any dirt on the skin, I sprinkle a little baking soda and scrub it thoroughly all over the lemon. Then I rinse it thoroughly several times with water. Fun fact, combining baking soda with a water rinse effectively removes the protective wax and residues on the peel that regular water alone cannot wash away. Next, I use a knife to peel off the outer skin. Did you know that lemon peel actually contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins and antioxidants than the lemon juice itself? Once peeled, I set the lemon aside as we will need it later. After peeling, I now proceed to chop the lemon peel into small pieces. Little do people know lemon peel is packed with skin benefits. It is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which brighten the skin. The natural acids in the peel also gently exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving the skin much smoother. The vitamin C in lemon peel also helps the skin maintain its elasticity and firmness. At the same time, the natural aroma released from the citrus oils creates a deeply relaxing feeling, just like having a professional spa skincare treatment. After preparing all the ingredients, I add about 200 milliliters of olive oil into the jar. Why olive oil? Because it's one of the most loved natural skincare ingredients. Olive oil contains vitamins A, D, E, and K, which help nourish and hydrate the skin for a much softer feel. To set up a water bath, I line the bottom of the pot with a cloth, add water, and place our prepared jar of ingredients inside. Next, I place it on the stove and simmer on low heat for about 15 minutes. While simmering, I gently stir a few times to help the ingredients blend better into the oil. Fun fact, low heat simmering protects heat-sensitive vitamins, especially the vitamin C in the lemon peel, from being destroyed by high temperatures. Gentle heating helps the nutrients from the ginger, lemon peel, and aloe vera infuse better into the olive oil. This makes the mixture much richer in nutrients when used on the skin. After simmering, I let the mixture cool down. Fun fact, letting the mixture cool naturally before straining allows the essential oils to settle and blend more deeply, creating a consistent, nourishing oil. Then I use a strainer to filter the clear oil. At this point, you'll catch a truly delightful aroma. Fun fact, removing all the raw residue keeps the texture of the oil lightweight, allowing it to absorb deeply into the skin without any greasy feeling. Especially for convenient daily skincare, I usually transfer this pure, nourishing oil into a cute little pump bottle like this. I gently massage the back of my hands, fingers, and dry areas for a few minutes. Then I leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes for the skin to absorb the nutrients before rinsing with warm water. You'll feel your hands softer and smoother instantly. To get the best results for your hands, maintain this routine 1 to 2 times a week. And just like that, we've finished our premium herbal nourishing oil to care for and maintain the youthful glow of our hands from the outside. Right now, I'm going to reveal the second recipe, a delicious herbal syrup that boosts fresh energy and beautifully enhances your skin from within. Let's get started on making this special jar of syrup right away. Since this aloe vera leaf was already cleaned earlier, now I just need to use a knife to cut it into small pieces. Fun fact, while aloe vera gel is 99% water, the remaining 1% is pure gold, packed with over 75 bioactive compounds that beautifully glow your skin from within and effectively soothe your stomach. Next, I put the aloe vera into a blender. Just looking at these glossy, juicy pieces is already so refreshing. Now, let's close the lid and blend it until completely smooth. I love using aloe vera in this recipe because it brings a refreshing, soothing feel and adds a natural light thickness to the drink. Once blended, I open the lid and pour the smooth aloe vera into a bowl. Look at this. The gel has become incredibly smooth with a light froth and a perfect consistency, completely ready to mix with the next ingredients. Next is the lemon. I'm using the remaining lemon core. Remember to carefully remove all the seeds so the syrup doesn't get bitter, then slice it thinly. Slicing it into thin pieces like this Next, I put the sliced lemon into the blender cup and blend it until completely smooth. Blending the whole lemon pulp like this helps us fully utilize the fiber-rich membranes containing pectin, which is incredibly good for digestion. Once done, I open the lid and pour this smooth blended lemon into a separate bowl. The tangy, refreshing citrus aroma releases instantly. The third ingredient is ginger. I cut the ginger root into smaller pieces. This ginger has already been thoroughly washed and completely peeled. Next, I use a grater to finely grate the ginger. Grating it finely helps release the maximum amount of pure juice, allowing it to blend deeply into both the nourishing oil and the honey syrup without any fibrous residue. Just a small tip, we should only use a moderate amount to keep the flavor balanced and not too overpowering. Speaking of benefits, ginger contains powerful gingerol compounds that warm the body, excellently support digestion, and boost immunity from within. Especially for beauty, ginger helps promote blood circulation, bringing a natural, rosy, and youthful glow to your skin. So, all the ingredients for our syrup are ready. Next, I take a clean and dry glass jar. I pour in the blended aloe vera, followed by the lemon, and then add the finely grated ginger. Finally, I pour in the honey and stir gently to thoroughly combine all the ingredients. I love using honey because it provides a natural sweetness and makes the drink so much more enjoyable. Plus, its subtle aroma blends beautifully with the lemon, ginger, and aloe vera. As you can see, the color is absolutely beautiful, and the refreshing aroma of lemon and ginger drifting up is so pleasant. Each time using, I just scoop a proper amount of this herbal syrup to suit my taste, then mix it with about 100 milliliters of warm water. Give it a good stir, and a warm, aromatic drink is ready instantly. Taking a sip in the morning will help your body feel completely refreshed and full of energy for the day ahead. Since this syrup is made entirely from fresh, natural ingredients with absolutely no preservatives, remember to seal the glass jar tightly and store it in the fridge. It's best to use it within 3 to 5 days to ensure the vitamins and nutrients stay fresh and don't lose their benefits. Enjoying this daily helps your body feel light and relaxed, supporting your health in a gentle, natural way. Whenever you're feeling tired, a warm glass of this syrup will instantly chase away sleepiness, boost your energy, and soothe your throat. Besides, thanks to its deep penetration, the mixture also nourishes and hydrates your skin for a fresh look from within, effectively repairing rough and cracked skin areas. And that's our refreshing aloe, lemon, ginger, and honey drink. Super easy to make and delicious. Have you ever tried this combo? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you next time.